morning! Welcome to my vlog. So today, we're going to eat Pungko-Pungko. Korkor wants to eat Pungko-Pungko. What is the English of Pungko-Pungko, Kor?
Sit down. Sit down very hard.
Why is it called Pungko-Pungko, Ray?
I don't know to my mother, brother, and sister.
Teacher, why is it called Pungko-Pungko?
Because you have to sit down for you to eat.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. If you're standing, meaning it's tindog.
Yeah.
No, what can you say?
Nothing. Get out of my face.
Nice! These are my friends. They're so friendly. So we're on our way to the Pungko-Pungko.
Sili ba daw tanan? Dili.
So we are in Pungko-Pungko. So Fuente is what Korkor really wants to eat. Where's Korkor? It's her first time in Pungko-Pungko.
Wa?
Suka. You have to sausaw to the suka, and then dip to the vinegar. Sorry, it's a teacher. Kuya, pwede mga sibuyas? Sibuyas, please.
Reporter ba?
This is puso. Oh my god. Puso. Kani siya unsa ni? Ha? Togue. Lumpiang togue. Unsay togue in English? Bean sprouts. Yes. And then, tarong oy. Kani siya, ito. Ngohiong. And then this one is ginabot, or in Tagalog, chicharon bulaklak, right? And then this is definitely Pork chop fried in oil. Reused. Oh, joke lang. Kani kuya, ang sani? Ang sani? Kinapusan nga tambok. What's English of kinapusan?
Squeezed.
Kuno. Squeezed daw. Basta man na siya kinapusan.
Internal organs.
Uy, same lang ni, same ra ni. Unsa ni? It's like different body parts, like they're like
Internal organs.
internal organs. What else? This one. Longganisa, nice to meet ya. It's longganisa. Humana siya, humana na, ubos na. Nakoy wala na include siya.
Wala ka kaabot sa...
Niya ka ni Mountain Dew. Crab meat. Patanaw ko. Crab meat. Wait lang, wala focus. Hanawa. Ibaliktad daw. Diba?
May location na.
So when you pay, you have to remember what you ate, so because you're the one to tell this guy what you ate, and he will compute it.
Siping.
Sige.
Nakasipin.
Ikaw una.
Maglabad yung ulo.
Ikaw na, ikaw na. Wow, how much?
Ano tapos sa?
Uluro?
Ako sa kakaning crab.
Ay, pangikik rin.
146. Or third drop po. Ang 4. O third.
Kuya ko, tulong ka nag-upat, upat ka puso, duha ka ngoyo. Ha? 109? Sure ka? Okay. Gamay na di akong gikaon?
Pila yung ikaw? Ako siya. Duha ka ginabot? O siya ka pork chop? O sa ka togue? O tulo ka longganisa?
Crab meat.
Ay, usa ka crab meat.
Mountain Dew.
Joe.
101.
Wow! Winner! We're done. Pungko-Pungko. So, Korkor, as a first timer in Pungko-Pungko, what can you say?
My God. Mo inom dyan kong daghang tsaa. Super
Why?
tsaa kayo, ma'am.
Why, man?
So busog. Oh my God. Okay.
You like it?
Yeah.
Will
Very
you eat
much.
again?
5 stars.
Wow, 5 stars. Wala kasing ganito sa bukid eh. Wala ganito sa bukid.
I love Cebu.
I love Cebu. Si Pit Senyor.
Pet senyor.
Uday mo taliksik na dahil